Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PNC Bank auto loans. The straight answer is yes. PNC Bank does provide a variety of auto loans to help you finance a vehicle. They offer solutions whether you are purchasing a new or used car, buying from a dealership, or buying from a private party. PNC Bank's auto loan offerings generally fall into a few categories. First, there are loans for buying a vehicle from a dealer. These include the PNC Check Ready Auto Loan and a traditional auto loan. The Check Ready loan is designed to help you secure financing before you even step into a dealership, giving you a check to use for your purchase. Traditional auto loans are also available for dealer purchases. Second, PNC offers loans for private party purchases. This is specifically for when you are buying a used vehicle directly from an individual seller, not a licensed dealer. Third, they provide financing options for current vehicle owners, which include auto refinance loans. This allows you to replace your existing auto loan, potentially to get a lower interest rate or lower your monthly payment. Lease buyout loans. If you are currently leasing a car and want to buy it at the end of your lease term, PNC offers a loan to cover that purchase. Here are a few important details to know about PNC auto loans. Loan amounts. Loan amounts can vary based on the type of loan you choose. For instance, traditional auto loans typically range from $5,000 to $100,000, while check-ready loans range from $7,500 to $75,000. Fixed interest rates. Their loans typically have a fixed interest rate, which means the rate will stay the same for the entire life of the loan. No prepayment penalty. PNC states that you can prepay the loan amount at any time without penalty. Interest rate discount. You can receive a small interest rate discount, typically 0.25%, for setting up an automated payment from a PNC checking account. Collateral. Like most auto loans, the vehicle you purchase will serve as collateral for the loan. The specific rates, loan terms, and vehicle eligibility will depend on your individual credit qualifications, the age and mileage of the vehicle, and your location. To get the most accurate information for your situation, you would need to check the current rates on the PNC website or apply for a loan. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.